Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to tell you how you can make green tea at home very easily in just 2 minutes. For this some ingredients needed like lemon, green tea, honey and water. This is very easy to make, so let's get started. First of all, you need to take a pan and then you have to add a glass of water in it. See, here we have added 1 glass of water in it. Now let the water boil for a minute. See, the water has started boiling. Now after this you have to add a spoon of honey in it. This will make green tea more effective and more healthy for you. Now switch off the flame and add this water in a glass. Now we are going to use Lipton green tea in this. You can use any brand of green tea. Before that you have to add half a lemon in this. Mix it well, and after this you can add a tea bag, green tea bag in this. You have to leave the tea bag for 2 minutes in this and then you can remove it. Make sure to leave it for at least 2 minutes. Now your healthy green tea is ready. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.